want the next hill. What do you think, Chris?
Yes.
Yes.
Got it, Chris?
Got it.
Never to get the zoom shot. We're streaming. I'm gonna do with the steering.
Go, go, go. Punch it.
Stovepipe. We gotta get beyond those trees.
Wipers, wipers, wipers.
We're doing it. Get ready to go to the left side over my Bobo, Chris, but keep on it. Look at the upward motion. That's a really strong tornado.
Look at those vortices coming around. Look at that, spinning in there.
We're streaming it live.
Wow.
Oh,
That's not good, guys.
That's not good.
That's full house.